Hey guys and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for the powerful CRM solution? Today, we are giving you a quick review of SAP CRM in 2025, covering the biggest pros and cons you need to know before making a decision. So this video will be totally straightforward. Let's jump right into it. So, SAP CRM is the part of larger SAP customer experience suite offering tools for sales, services, marketing, and commerce, all integrated into one platform. Now, in 2025, it's even more cloud focused and AI driven than before. So, coming down to the pros of SAP CRM, it has extensive integration. If your business already uses SAP or ERP or supply chain, SAP CRM connects seamlessly. Another one is customizable workflows. So the 2025 version allows more low-code and no-code customization, making it easier to tweak workflows without heavy coding. Now, another one is AI and automation. SAP now has built-in AI for customer insights, leading scoring and sales forecasting, making automation smoother than ever. Now, another one is omni-channel support. You can manage email, chat, SMS, social media, and all customer interactions in just one dashboard. Now, some cons of SAP CRM include complex setup. So SAP CRM can be overwhelming for small businesses. Setup and customization usually require experienced consultants. Now, another con include costly for smaller teams. So even with flexible pricing models in 2025, SAP is still on the higher end compared to competitors like HubSpot or Zoho. Now, another con is user interface learning curve. Though it's cleaner than before, the interface can still feel dense and unintuitive for new users. Final verdict, if you're a mid-sized to large company, especially using SAP products, SAP CRM in 2025 is a powerhouse without considering. But if you're a small business or want faster, easier onboarding, a simple CRM might fit better. And that's wrap up for our SAP CRM 2025 review in under 3 minutes. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.